Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you smart ring for your Tesla. Let's check it out. This ring is for my Tesla because sometimes I'm losing my phone or my battery died. How am I going to open the doors? I'm going to open it with this awesome ring. We need to add the ring. Go to settings, locks, add key, and I will put it right there. It's going to recognize, and put the original one right there. Right now it's added. Let's test it out. I will lock it with the Tesla key. Now it's locked. And let's put it there. Unlock. And lock. This ring makes you drive the car. Go ahead and touch it there. And press the brake. That's it. You're good to go. I can definitely suggest this ring. It's because this is waterproof and it is stylish. You don't need to charge or any battery in it. That's it. You have everything with you. If you lose your phone, if you don't have the car key, if your phone doesn't have enough charge, this is the backup.